Good morning, Shoal School again. I'm going to read a book today called Paddle, Perch, Climb. Bird Feet Are Neat. Written and illustrated by Lori Ellen Angus. Now, on one page you'll see a bird's feet, and then on the next page it will reveal what kind of bird it is. So see if you can guess along as I'm reading. And also there's going to be a predator on most of the pages. See if you can identify what predator animal is on the page before I tell you. You ready to get started? If you were a hungry bird, how could you use your feet to eat? If you had webbing between your toes, you could... Whose babies do you think these are? Let's find out. Paddle like a swan to dabble for pond plants. Do you see a predator animal? What animal is it? Watch out for the fox. If you had long, slender legs and toes, like this bird, who's that? This blue color, it's a hint. If you had long, slender legs and toes, you could wade like a heron to sneak up on a school of fish. Do you see a predator animal in this picture? Be careful of the bobcat. If you had strong feet and legs, these strong feet and legs in this desert. What birds live in the desert? If you had strong feet and legs, you could run like a road runner to snag a lizard for lunch. But look out, a coyote. If you had toes with claws that can cling, you could climb like a woodpecker to peck for grubs. Do you see a predator animal in this tree? Uh-oh, keep an eye out on the snake. If you had small, flexible toes, you could... Now look at the color of this bird. What bird has this coloring? You could perch like a cardinal to pick some berries. Or you could, who's this on the ground? Scratch like a towhee to search for bugs. Do you see a predator animal? Beware, a hawk. If you had powerful feet with sharp talons, who's got powerful feet with sharp talons? You could grasp like an owl to grab a mouse. Keep your owlet safe. If you were a hungry bird, there are many ways to use your feet to eat. If you were a bird, what kind of bird would you be? What would your feet look like? What would you do with your feet? Can you draw your bird? Or draw your bird's feet or tracks? Is there a predator that eats your bird? That's the end of our story.